back to the channel, guys. I'm Asher. I got my wife Carly running the camera right now and Cotton in the back. We have an awesome weekend planned going up to Wyoming. Just kind of get stuck in a cycle of going to the same places. So this is exciting to me because we're going to go try out some new areas, see some new stuff, and I really have no idea what's in store other than hopefully lots of fishing. So right now we're just chipping away at the miles. We got 4.5 hours left. So we're gonna roll up to camp pretty late, but we're gonna just wake up early, get after it, have a quick breakfast, and start fishing and seeing the sights. So we just drove all the way up and down the mountain where we intended to camp, and it's just absolutely blown out. When we first started going there, it wasn't like that, but the last couple of times we've been, it's just an absolute rat race. So it's 12:34 and we're about to drive an hour to go try a new area, and so here's hoping. Finally stumbled across a pretty sweet spot. I haven't seen it in daylight, of course. It's 2:30 in the morning. But we will update you tomorrow.
Be careful over there, please.
Morning, folks. So we rolled into camp super late last night, as you know. So we took it easy on ourselves this morning, slept till about 9:30, in no rush to do anything really. But we went to sleep in the dark and woke up to this amazing view. There's a river running through this canyon, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. Nice overcast day, so I have high hopes for fishing today. First things first, we're gonna clean up camp, get everything organized because things have a way of just turning into a mess when you set up in the dark. And we're gonna head back into town so I can grab my Wyoming fishing license and some flies for the day. Maybe get some insight from those guys on what they might be eating. This has me really excited for what today and tomorrow hold for fishing because it's absolutely gorgeous. Alright, after searching around all day, I think I found a good looking stretch of river here in Wyoming. Let's go test it out. After a pretty productive day of fishing, for me at least, Carly didn't have much good news. We're heading back to the truck. It's getting right near sunset, so there's still fish to be caught, which is always hard to leave when it's like that. But after camping last night in a spot that we struggled to find, we kind of want to just go get our place in the world locked down. Then we're gonna have a great dinner, hang out by the fire. It's gonna be a sweet night. All right, so this is camp. We kept on going down that same trail we were coming down last night, and we stumbled upon this little gym. The creek's running right through, right over there. and talk about views. It's just absolutely gorgeous here. Can't beat it. So we're gonna get settled in, take our showers, get camp popped up, and start working on dinner. All right, dinner is served. We got fajitas again, courtesy of Carly. All right, guys, so this marks the end of day 2. As you can see, we're all pretty tuckered out. Rain came in with a little bit of nasty wind. So we're just tucking into the tent and we're gonna enjoy the sounds of it for the rest of the night. Tomorrow we're gonna hit the road and see what else we get into. We got breakfast checked off the list, and we got one more fishing spot we want to try. It's about an hour away or so. So we're just gonna pack up and get ready for the day and see if we can get lucky one more time. Folks, that is the end of this little adventure. We got a breath of fresh air with this amazing fishing spot. Carly was able to get onto a cutthroat. I got a couple, and as you can see at the end there, that big boy is gonna leave me restless tonight, so there's good reason to come back. But yeah, overall it's been an amazing trip, and I appreciate you guys tuning in.